Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to update Edge browser on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Although Windows automatically updates Edge browser on your PC along with other softwares that is provided by Microsoft, in case you want to check if an update is available for your Edge browser, first open the Edge browser on your PC. Once it opens on your PC, click on this one menu button that is provided by three dots. Click on this one. Then here select help and feedback option. This one from the context menu, choose about Microsoft Edge option. Here you will notice once you will in settings help page of Edge, you will see that it will try to check for updates, and if an update is available for Edge browser, it will download it automatically on your PC and then install it, and it will prompt you to restart your browser. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.